Then afterwards, the second experiment is, second one is, if a block LED must be on. Adra dark is evening light must be on, morning light must be off. How to implement smart street light? It's not depending upon the time. Sometimes till 7 o'clock evening there will be sufficient light. No need to switch on. So sometime in the morning 5 o'clock itself will get daylight, sufficient daylight. We can switch off. Because we go for park na, still light is there. If we go for street na, street light, that is there. Simply even 6:30 also keep glowing, where's the power? So what we can do is, we have to monitor the intensity of light. Sometime, but 4 o'clock itself so much of cloudy weather, it's like a dark only, switch on. Depending upon the intensity of light, you have to switch on or switch off. So we are going to implement smart street light next, the second level. The first level is how to measure the intensity. Once if we know the threshold, then we can do that. Our next program is this. Please listen. Interface AWS light dependent register is an example for analog sensor. Two node MCUs, nothing but ESP to write a program to read the intensity of light using LDR and display it on serial monitor. First, this is the first step. Experiment. Like that. Then you can replace LDR by smoke sensor. We can replace LDR by fire sensor. We can replace LDR by distance, ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance. Like that, we have different sensors. Or we can replace this by soil moisture sensor. If soil is wet, okay, switch off the motor. If soil is dry, switch on the sprinkler or motor to pump the water. Like that. Like that, we have different sensors. Now, serial.pd 9600. Declare one variable. Read. See, the previous case I am using analog read. So register rate, not using analog read. From there, A0, A for analog. At A0 we have area sensor. Then after read, assign to block, serial.read then block. Let's keep on display dot serial monitor of every 0.5 second. How not we have to monitor that. Please try and see the output on serial monitor. Please do this.